Hello everyone, RuneSmith here. It's been a while since I've picked my old Chubb Cruiser. I broke the tensioner, which thanks to Nick's picks I will be making a new one that fits them perfectly. However, I think that I might be able to pick it with this tensioner. It fits in at a slight angle, and I feel like it's catching the bolt at the back there. I can feel movement. If I pull the shackle up, I can feel slight movement in the shackle there. I've measured out this, and it seems to be the right size. Now, it's been a while since I've picked one of these, so sorry if it takes a while. I'm going to put my index finger up the wire, as advised by Nick. And I'm going to use the method that I first saw used by Brummy Lockpicker. And he says for these, you just nudge each lever and you just keep giving them little nudges, and that works them up into place. And I feel like this is working, so there we go. And then what I like to do is just open it enough so that it doesn't click into place and becomes really difficult to remove all the tools. But there's your open, and then you just twist it back the way it came. Thanks for watching. Thanks again, Nick's Picks. And yeah, the Nigbee lever padlock set can pick the Chubb Cruiser.